Good morning, students. In the last video, we learned the poem "A Time to Believe" by written a poet D.J. Morbizzer. In that poem, the poet delivered a message. This is the time to believe within ourselves. Means we have to believe in ourselves, we will get the success. If we are believing to ourselves, we are getting the strength, courage within ourselves. And we should never feel alone as because this life is gift given by the God to us. So He is always with us and always just we have to believe there is a miracle will be going to happen. The things what we are thinking like the impossible that will also going to become a possible in our life. Just we have to believe within ourselves and we have to work and move ahead. So this message poet delivered in this poem. In the last video we learned regarding the four questions what we have with the right side of the with the side of the poem. Along with that we also have the English workshop. So now today we are going to start the workshop. How we are going to find with the help of poem the questions of the workshop what we are having in that. So let's start. Here we have English workshop question number 1A, that is rearrange the letters to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. Here you can see we have the few words like 8 words you can see, and these all are having the various letters, but that is never making any sense, means that is meaningless. What we have to do, we are going to rearrange these all letters and make a meaningful word that should be occurring in our poem. The words should be always all from our poem. So let's start. CLEARMAMIS. This is not making any sense. We have to arrange it like MIRACLES. 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 The word miracle comes in a poem. So that is from our poem. This miracle words occurs in a poem and that is having a meaning of that. The same way the second one, wisdom. The third one, courage. Rearrange the fourth one, that we have surprises. The next one, beauty. The sixth one we have dreams. Next one, seventh one, that is value. Eighth one, that is wonder. If you can see in all these examples we have the words which are making a proper meaning, and that all words occur in our poem. So this way we are going to rearrange the letters whatever given in the words and we have to make it like with a proper meaning. Now move for the B part of the same question number 1, that is write words from the poem that describe the following. You can see here we have the sky, heart, hand, beginning, surprises. Now regarding these words we have to make the words like the adjective, and that could be from our poem only. So let's find it. The first one we have the sky. Which adjective we are having in this poem regarding the sky? You can see stardust sky. Means if sky is alone, that is a simple kind of a noun, but when stardust comes with the sky it makes a adjective verb. So we have to write here stardust sky. The next one is heart. That is a simple noun. So you can see in the poem we have that is nurturing heart. That means the things which will going to care to us. So here we have to write nurturing heart. Hand. You can see here we have the aging hand. Aging hand means we have the lot of the we have the grandparents in our family, and the same way aging means the old age people. So aging hand will make an adjective for the hand in a poem. Beginning, that is the main motto of our poem. We can say new beginning. Always we are keeping the belief in ourselves, so new beginning will be happen. So new beginning. And the last one is surprises. You can see in the last stanza we have wonderful surprises. When we believe within ourselves, God will give a wonderful surprises to us. So wonderful surprises. So this way we have to write the meaning of the adjective form from the passage, from the stanzas what we have in this poem regarding the word given in the question to us. Now the second one we have say why. What is the reason what they are question asking to us? Here we have to give reason why that could be happen. The first one, the sky has magical quality. How we can say the sky has magical quality? You can see here in the stanza, to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of stardust sky, wisdom of the man in the moon. If we can say, as because angels dancing among the clouds and wisdom of the man in the moon, as because of that the magical quality of the sky is there, we can say. So how we are going to write? Because we see magical, we see angels dancing among the cloud, and the angels dancing among the cloud, and wisdom of man in the moon. If we believe that angels are dancing in the clouds and wisdom of man we are able to see in the moon, that all could be happen if we believe, and because of that the sky has a magical quality. B is given. Even an aging hand has beauty. Why we can say aging hand also having a beauty? As because we learn in the third stanza here the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. By the aging hand of the peoples in our family, we are going to learn how we are going to love. By their teaching only it will be going to possible. So because of that, so let's how we are going to write. Even an aging hand has beauty, as because this hand have taught us to love. Means this aging has taught us to love through their experiences. Through their experiences they are teaching us to how we are going to do the love, as well as and caring. Love and caring through, or we can say and teaching of life. So because this hand have taught us to love through their experiences and caring and teaching of life. Because of that, we can say aging hand also having the lot of the beauty. Now come for the C, the third one. Why we can say we should believe that we are strong and courageous. So let's see in the first stanza. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. When it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. That means if any of the things, wrong things happen, what we don't want in our life, then how we can going to recover from that? Because of the strength and courage. If we have these two qualities within ourselves, we can easily regain our beginning of our life. So how we are going to write the answer? As because if a shocking disaster brings our life to zero, that we should never give up. Always, whatever should be happening in our life, we should never give up, but instead gather courage to pick up the pieces and get back to normal. With the help of our strength, our courage, we have to pick up the pieces. What could be happen? Just forget it and again to be a normal and start a new beginning. Question number 3 is that make a list of any 6 things that the poet want to accept as true. Means what the things regarding that poet telling us we are going to accept that will going to be a true. So let's see in a poem. Here we have is to trust that miracles happens. Means we are going to trust that miracles happen. So first one, to trust that miracles happen. Means we are going to do the trust regarding miracles happen. In the same stanza we have the second one. Dreams really do come true. Means we are going to believe that dreams come true. So to believe that dreams come true. To believe that dreams come true. The third one in the next stanza we have to believe is to see angels dancing among the cloud. Means we have to believe ourselves that is the true. The angels are dancing in the cloud. So to see angels are dancing in the clouds. And the next one in the same stanza we have to know the wonder of a stardust sky. So to know that, we should know that, to know that wonder of stardust sky, that we have to believe on that. The next you can see in the fifth paragraph, fifth stanza we have to believe is to know we are never alone. So to believe that we are never alone. And the sixth one, that to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. To know wonderful surprises waiting to happen. At this way we have to write the 6 things for that poet wants. We are going to believe on that. Question number 4. Find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the web. Here we have a web of positive qualities. Now here we have the 5 empty clouds. In that we have to fill up the positive qualities. What we have in the poem? The first one, always we have to think regarding new beginning. Then believe. Always believe is also one of the best quality, and we should never lose our hope. So hope is the next positive quality. The strength, we should always keep a strength within ourselves, and courage. So these are the 5 positive qualities what we have in the poem. So this way today we finished our workshop of our English first chapter of the poem A Time to Believe. You should complete it, and still if you have any kind of the doubt regarding this poem and or any of the regarded question, you should ask in the group. But before that you should complete your CW with all the poems, word meanings and the questions in the first video, as well as the questions we have in the workshop. The next chapter we are going to start in the next video. Thank you so much.